many years, Whittley's been known for its BMT packages. The T part of the package is the trailer. All our trailers are produced by McKay. They come standard with a high quality spare wheel, front and rear straps attached to the trailer, all standard. Underneath here, we can see we had a keel ladder right down the center there. That's all standard, even on our little 1650, and that supports the weight of the boat. The two keel rollers, so two rollers at the front, just helps you position it, and two big carpeted skids down the back. New for this year, we've upgraded to standard black alloy wheels and black guards. This particular boat behind us is a 2380. It's sold, and it's a customer's boat. It's the first Outboard one that we sold. It's got a custom red metal flake and a black bottom. Looks really, really sharp. The M part of the package is Yamaha, obviously the motor. This particular package is teamed up with the Yamaha F150 with F175 and F200 packages available. Comes standard with a stainless steel prop, and as you can see, we've got a nice little pod out the back there. Come on, walk up and I'll show you through. How good's that? The sliding lockable cabin door option. As you can see up the front here, we've got a really nice vinyl headliner. Like I said, this particular boat is sold. This is going to Rod. He's from the Whittley Owners Club, and he actually just finished up with the Whittley Regatta, and he had the oldest model Whittley there. It's a 1985 model, and he's upgraded straight after the Regatta a couple of weeks ago. TV up the front, plenty of storage. You may not be able to see that with the camera. Get all your gear and that's the stuff up the front. Little porta potty, once again, plenty of storage. As with all Whittleys, all Australian made, built for our conditions for Australian families. They're under the 2.5 metre towing beam, so you can tow them around legally. Obviously got the fold up bed up the front. As we continue to move through the boat, we've got a metho stove, metho nice and clean and safe. Hot and cold sink, that's a new feature for the Outboard that we've teamed up with the local caravan manufacturer to give us 12-volt hot water services, because we can't run it through the heat exchanger like a stern drive. Got the folding lid there, nice little fridge, you probably cannot see there. Full camper covers, full clears are all standard. We've got an adjustable tilt helm, the brand new high quality Gussie wheel. We've been teamed up with Garmin and Fusion for many, many years. You can see behind there, little Garmin unit, 2-round Yamaha gauges, freshwater system, VHF radio, Fusion head unit standard, adjustable seating position as well. Bit hard with the cameraman down the back, but you can see we've got a full-length rear lounge right across here, and it sort of folds up and makes a full-length double bed. Plenty of storage, carpets removable. Obviously with the Outboard, you do there's a little bit of room out the back with the pod, but you can still put your full-length rear rails, and you can still have barbecues, bakeboards, all that sort of stuff. And that's a wrap on a quick factory walkthrough of the new 2380 Outboard. For more information, come in and visit our Gold Coast and Melbourne-based stores, or visit your local dealer. Fantastic new package, powered by Yamaha. Yamaha, reliability, reliability, reliability. BMT packages start from 115,000. Have a great Easter. This is the last boat we're going to hand over. Look forward to seeing you again soon.